Coke Studio Bangla Season 3.
Guys, we are going back to Manila. Dua for us, we can safely reach there, okay? Behind Ali Amin Madaripuri and also Bhatija Hafiz, Manila Traders Kibriya Bhai, Hello Arifur Rahman Bhai, Aram Inan Goribullah.